Mulch is a gardening secret. It not only will make your topsoil look more attractive, but it helps your plants retain more moisture and it keeps weeds at bay. I cannot imagine having my garden without mulch. So I'm thrilled that Gro-Med sent me their Coco Husk Chip Mulch, as this is a fantastic high quality mulch that comes in a small size. This is great for your garden, and it has the certifications I care about. And I really love that it comes in 10 separate blocks, as that makes it so much easier to store until I need it. And all you have to do is add water. And just one block turns into a ton of mulch. So start your plants off right with Gro-Med's Coconut Core Medium, and then add Gro-Med's Coconut Core Husk for healthy plants and a gorgeous garden. Gro-Med's Coco Husk Chips are fantastic.